Medical alert. Poor sleep isn't just making you tired, it may be quietly damaging your prostate.
New studies show that lack of deep sleep increases inflammation and hormonal imbalance, two major triggers for prostate problems and even cancer risk.
And the scary part? Most men over 50 think they're fine, until symptoms start showing up at night.
Your prostate works in rhythm with your body's internal clock, your circadian rhythm. When you don't sleep enough, your hormones go out of sync.
Melatonin, your sleep hormone, helps regulate testosterone and reduces oxidative stress in the prostate. Less sleep means less protection.
Chronic sleep deprivation also raises cortisol, your stress hormone, which drives inflammation and disrupts healthy cell repair in the prostate.
If you're waking up several times a night to urinate, struggling with fatigue, or noticing weaker flow, don't ignore it.
These might not just be age-related issues. They can be early signs your prostate is under stress from poor sleep.
And remember, fragmented sleep means your body never gets the deep repair phase, the time it needs to fight inflammation naturally. If you're finding this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell. It really supports our channel and helps us create more content for you.
Here are 3 science-backed habits to improve both your sleep and prostate health.
First, set a regular bedtime. Going to bed and waking up at consistent times keeps your hormones balanced.
Second, avoid caffeine or alcohol within 3 hours of bedtime. Both irritate the bladder and disrupt deep sleep.
And third, make your bedroom a recovery zone, cool, dark, and quiet. Even small lights from phones can suppress melatonin.
Let's recap. Poor sleep raises inflammation, disrupts hormones, and weakens prostate protection, but you can reverse it with better nightly habits.
Your prostate doesn't rest, and neither should your awareness. Prioritize sleep, protect your health, and stay proactive.
Don't go yet. Click the video on screen to learn the top foods that protect your prostate overnight. And don't forget to subscribe for more science-based men's health tips.